Today, we have a quick full face massage with GuaSha that will only take 1 minute. Start on your forehead and brows. Slide your GuaSha slowly from the middle of your forehead upwards towards your scalp. Then move to the temples and keep doing the same movement. Slowly move down to your cheeks and then the buccal area. Lastly, move downwards on the neck sides for lymphatic drainage. Repeat the same for the other side. Each side will only take 30 seconds, and it's so practical for the times that you are in a hurry, but you also want to do your skincare. These effective exercises are anti-aging and anti-wrinkle. You will depuff and lift your face in only 1 minute. Hope you liked this video. See you next one. Bye.